Hello children. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about class 9 computer application and we'll start with the chapter 2, introduction to Java. So first of all, in this lesson, we'll see what is Java, okay, and what is Java history and what are the different versions of Java which came in existence and all. So let's go for the first one, Java. In last video I told you Java is a high level language and it is used to develop some kind of applications like console applications, console based applications, Windows based applications and Java applets. So this is a programming language as well as this is a programming language as well as a platform also. It is a programming language. We have already discussed about this. It is used to develop the different kind of softwares, programs, and applets means different kind of websites also can be developed using Java, and it is a platform also. Why it is called platform? Why it is called platform? See, Java provides a runtime environment to execute or run the Java-based applications. Once again I repeat, Java provides a platform, a runtime environment to run or execute Java-based applications. It means the applications which are developed using Java can be run using Java runtime environment, that is known as JVM. Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine. So Java Virtual Machine. So this JVM is responsible for converting your bytecode into machine independent code. We'll discuss about bytecode later on. For the time being, for the platform, it provides a runtime environment to execute the Java based applications as well. It is a language as well to develop programs, softwares, applications, and a platform also to run or execute the Java based applications, which applications or which softwares which are made on Java can be execute based on JVM. So JVM will just convert that language into machine independent language. So Java is higher language as well as machine language also. Now we'll talk about Java history. Java was developed by, the first one, Java was developed by James Gosling. James Gosling and his team. That team was also known as Green Team. That team was also known as Green Team. James Gosling and his team developed this Java application. Second one, it was developed in Sun Microsystem. That was the company Sun Microsystem in which Java was developed. The third one is the working on Java was started in 1991. This team had started working on Java in 1991, and in 1995 the first Java version was introduced, and when it was introduced publicly, the name of this was Java Alpha Beta Java Alpha Beta. This was the first version of Java when it was publicly announced. Clear? And in 1996, the first version of JDK introduced. JDK 1.0 was introduced. In 1996, first Java Development Kit first version was developed. When it was publicly announced, the name of this was Java Alpha Beta version. You can write here version. Java Alpha Beta version. In 1996, the first version of JDK was introduced. For the first four, means JDK 1.0 to 1.4. 1.0 to 1.4, the name was JDK itself. Later on, after 1.5, JDK was changed to Java SE. SE means Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. Until now, it is working with Java Standard Edition. This was the name was changed from JDK to Java SE, Java Standard Edition. And currently, in March 17, 2020, a new version of Java is introduced. Let me write here. Okay. Before that, see, this Sun Microsystem now acquired by Oracle. Sun Microsystem, the license of Java is now acquired by Oracle. Now they are acquired this by Oracle company. So now Oracle is just dealing with the Java. Clear? So latest version of Java is Java SE 14, launched in March 17th, 2020. This is the latest version of Java on which we are working. Java Standard Edition 14 launched in March 17, 2020, and C. Now Java SE 15 is also about to come. Maybe end of this year it would be announced, that is Java SE 15. Maybe end of this year Java SE 15 also will be launched. So This was the Java history about Java, Java platform, and the basis of different steps. When they started working on Java, when the green team started working on Java, the earlier name of Java was oak. Later on, they changed it to Java. Later on, they changed into Java. So, this was the history of Java, the latest version of Java, and Java language, programming language, as well as platform. In the next tutorial, we'll come to know about the characteristics of Java or features of Java, and then I will show you some demo based on Java basics, how to create class, how to just create methods, how to initialize variables and all. Thank you very much for watching this video.